Namaste, I am Navya, yoga teacher, hypnotherapist, and nutritionist. Even though you've been very good to each other for many years, how painful it is when you find out that they've been playing drama with you for so long. But in such a situation, even if it's the person who's causing the problem, thinking about it will ruin your health and your life. It's impossible not to be sad and hurt by such situations. I understand that cool. One of my clients was cheated by his own brother in his business. When he started thinking about it, what started as a minor gastritis later reached a more severe gastritis stage. Why did I mention this example? In every situation, we ruin our health and life through our thoughts. So, what's wrong with us? We shouldn't be so stupid as to punish ourselves for someone else's mistakes. We don't even have that understanding. In this case, they are not the only ones to blame. Another client was telling his brother to study and take a government job. He sacrificed all his happiness to take care of his brother. He had returned from duty, was tired, and seeing his broken bike, he said that repairing it would waste his time and interfere with his studies. He went there in his tiredness and got the bike repaired. If elder brother suffers so much, younger brother would have spent his life enjoying not just 1 but 6 years of his life. When elder brother came to know about this, he had health issue. This incident further increased his health issue. If we were born and raised together, we would definitely know what their personalities are like, but we create problems with our stupidity and foolish feelings. Yes, we have created such a situation through our stupidity, right? In such a situation, there is an opportunity to understand. We know their nature. They have also shown us that we are selfish. But we don't understand. It is definitely us who made the mistake. But it's impossible to tolerate someone who always treats us well, only to find out one day that they're just playing a game. One of my clients' mother was always scolding and fighting with her daughter due to family stress. His aunt, who lived in the same house, took good care of her with love. Auntie's husband had expired, so this girl's parents were taking care of their family, so she was good with this girl, but when their own daughter started going to work, they completely neglected her and even started behaving negatively. Who had taken good care of her since childhood, now started behaving negatively. Of course hurt that girl. But that girl's fault is not at all. Why do we have this mentality of punishing ourselves for mistakes we haven't made in every situation? Even God doesn't punish those who haven't made mistakes. Are you just punishing yourself through your stupidity? Even great people learn from experience on this earth. We too can learn from experience. Whatever thoughts are forming in your head, they are not the real truth. And do you know how many good things happen in our lives because of that incident? My friend of 2 years cheated on me, so I started spending time with someone who was very involved in spirituality, and then I became a yoga teacher. If the incident would not happen, I wasn't a yoga teacher, I wouldn't have been able to become a therapist. When we have friends, we would have just spent time with them. That's all. There is no other work in life, no purpose. Now I am comfortable and happy in the work I am doing. Along with that, 90% of illnesses are caused by mental thoughts. Cannot be cured with medicine. But now, through drugless therapy, we can provide answers to not only health but also every problem in life. People are very happy with this idea. They are very happy with all the ideas of this spiritual yoga therapy for their lives. If our lives can be completely ruined by one incident, then mine should be too, right? But those events give us opportunities to live better than we could have ever imagined. This is true, but we also never forget the lessons we learn from experience. We change a lot because of it. This is true, but we still care about that person's behavior. You also have to consider how much we have changed in our lives. Sadhguru says, I am not really your guru. Who is causing sorrow, suffering, and problems in your life? They are true gurus for our life. Don't hate them, don't get angry, don't be sad. Through them you can live a higher life. At some point, you may feel sad, either you may learn through experience and change your life. This is your choice. Many people do not realize the truth until the end of their lives. You are so virtuous. You have seen the truth. You should be happy. The first thing is that in all these situations, you are not the cause in any way. Don't be stupid enough to punish someone for their mistake. Yes, you have been together for many years and you had a good feeling that they were also behaving in a good way. But if you are worried, sad, angry for any reason, it will ruin your life. Instead of ruining your life, you can learn a lesson from that situation and choose to live a higher life. You can live well with people who are good in your life. On this earth, all relationships are together until the end. Such situations happen in everyone's life. Those who have been friends for many years become enemies one day, and those who have been enemies for many years become friends one day. No matter how much our parents, grandparents, and great-grandparents love us, is it possible for them to be with us after their lives end? But it's not possible for them to stay with us as long as we live. No relationship here lasts forever. We have to change ourselves. Why do people behave that way even though they know it will hurt and cause us problems when they only think about their own lives? We have no answers or solutions from these people. I will say this again, what is the problem that happens to you by thinking? Don't create trouble for yourself for a mistake you didn't do. From those situations, you may have trouble at that moment as you think, but that experience will be a good teacher for you. You will definitely live a higher life. You didn't do anything wrong, but in that situation you got knowledge. It was not an issue to ruin your life. And it became a good path for life. Even God does not punish you for a mistake you didn't do. What is wrong with you? The thoughts that come to your head are the problems of your own kind. Even after accepting your love and friendship, you should pay attention to the people who gave you trouble. They are no longer with you. You will not get any help from them. So, if you give trouble to them, who is responsible for it? You yourself can implement the ideas I have just told you right now. No, you will understand after a few months or years. You are the one who has to make a decision in this matter. No one can help you, but what I am asking you here is to understand as soon as possible. For a better life, whatever good things and good people you have in your life, there is an opportunity to live well with all those this. May God bless everyone.